Today, let us talk about for loop. For loop is control flow of statement that allows you repeatedly execute a program or block or line of code in each sequences. For example, a list, tuple, string, and a range function are for loop. Let's start from list. For example, let us list from list of a number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let us write 1 through 10. Let me write for loop in the Python. When you write for loop for value in a list, then let us print the value. Print what? Print a value. When I say print the value, it's print from started from first index up to last. Let us clean this terminal. Then Python operators.py run a code. Think it is starting from 0 also last index. So in the Python, when we say looping, is a way of iterating over object or the way of iterating in some container.